Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet begin di Ratu Hikmah in the same channel. Welcome to the last session of the online tutorial. Time flies by. It doesn't feel that time passed quickly. This week, you are going to review and create a mind map of the learning materials from session 1 to session 7 as a summary of the Bahasa Inggris course. If you still have any question about previous topics, please write them down in discussion forum. Actually, in forum 8, the last session, right? Also, do not forget to submit your assignment 3 if you have not. During these weeks and during this session from session 1 to session 7, if I have big mistakes in responding your assignment, in responding your task, I beg your pardon. And stay healthy, and thank you for your participation. See you and bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.